Bobbi from the Vespasian Warner Public Library, and I'm here with another tale from the archive where we talk about objects and documents in our local history collection. Today we're going to be talking about Revere Copper and Brass, which had a manufacturing facility here in Clinton from 1950 to 1999. Obviously a huge part of Clinton history. We even have our Revere Ware room downstairs, the large meeting room which was donated by the Revere Company. And we have a very large Revere collection here with all kinds of interesting things, but these are a few of my favorites. We have this shell that was actually manufactured for the Korean War in the 1950s here in Clinton. And we have this, I think it's a press kit, when Revere was celebrating their 50 millionth item that was manufactured. And it's just a catalog of all of the new, fun, exciting things that they were going to be releasing in 1959 to celebrate this milestone. And I know if you're like me and grew up around here, you recognize a lot of these objects as things that your parents had or your grandparents had. My grandma had a lot of these things. And it's just kind of fun to look at their advertising. My mom still has that whole set of pans. My favorite Revere-related object that we have is actually this saucepan. This saucepan was in a fire that was described as devastating. The fire destroyed the building and destroyed most of the objects that were inside the building. But it did not destroy this saucepan. All they had to do was buff it up, and it was as good as new. They did replace half of the handle and this knob, but the actual pan itself survived the fire completely intact. And as I said, the plant closed down in 1999. The Clinton plant was actually the last domestic Revere plant that was here in the United States before all manufacturing moved overseas. If you're interested in Revere Ware, as I said, we have all kinds of information, and if you have any memories of working at Revere or had relatives that did, please put them down in the comments. We would love to read them. Thank you for joining me for this tale from the archives, and I hope to see you soon.